You know, the COVID economy has meant city and state budget shortfalls and growing pressure to eventually maybe raise taxes.
But prosecutors across Georgia think they've already come up with a way to collect millions of dollars. How? Through unpaid taxes they say are likely sitting inside your corner convenience store.
Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis explains.
When undercover GBI agents won prizes playing video gambling machines across Georgia, they got paid the wrong way, with cold hard cash.
25, 30, 35.
But when the clerk didn't trust them, they got paid the right way, the only legal way, with vouchers to buy something in the store.
You know anybody around here? No. I'm gonna give you store credit, and you can pick out what you want for store credit.
Critics call these machines one of the most addictive forms of gambling around. The Georgia Lottery controls them. They track all the money that goes in and all the winnings that go out, keeping 10% of the revenues to help fund the Hope Scholarship and other programs. Across the state last year, $2.6 billion went into these machines. Color this man skeptical that people spent that much to win candy bars and soft drinks.
I'll call it. It's an illegal gambling enterprise and industry, and it is crooked and it is corrupt.
Here's why he says he feels that way. Last year, the Georgia Lottery says it paid out nearly $2 billion worth of prizes to video game winners. Now, let's just say all of those prizes were store vouchers and not cash, because remember, paying cash is illegal. Unless the vouchers went for gasoline or lottery tickets, the store owners have to pay sales taxes on those prizes. And when prosecutors began looking at the books, they found a big problem. According to racketeering lawsuits filed by attorney Michael Lambros on behalf of various district attorneys, store owners and machine providers broke the law by not paying sales or other taxes on the prizes generated by those machines. One lawsuit showed $121 million going into a group of stores' machines, with $82 million in winnings going out. Yet, no taxes paid. Lambros argues in that one case alone, state and local governments are owed $3 million.
The stores can't have it both ways. They're either paying out cash, and they have to admit that, and you and I know they're not going to admit that, or they're going to have to prove that they're giving redeemable gifts.
In many cases, store owners and machine providers settle, avoiding prison time but coughing up millions of dollars. So far, lawsuits have forced 10 machine providers out of business.
In this economy, when the state of Georgia has cut its budget by 10 to 14%, there's no excuse for the Department of Revenue, the Georgia Lottery, or any other law enforcement not to go after these taxes. No excuse.
But attorney Chris Anulowitz has an excuse. You can't prove the taxes have not been paid.
The money drives this machine, and they are not putting anybody in jail. They're not doing anything other than pulling money for their own purposes.
He's defended some of the stores Lambros has sued, even won a big appellate court case that reversed a conviction.
They claim your clients are paying cash illegally. Are they?
I mean, the thing is, I have not seen Mr. Lambros has been making allegations of cash payments, but what the cash payments are showing is no. I mean, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
He insists authorities can't prove all those billions of dollars in prizes didn't go to buying lottery tickets and gasoline, the only two items that would not require the stores to collect sales tax.
Do you really think that those players were playing those machines and putting that much money in because they wanted to win lottery tickets or gas vouchers?
They may have. I mean, you know, the machines are popular. People play them.
To better track those prizes, the Georgia Lottery is exploring the idea of a gift card system that video machine players would use to download their winnings and track sales tax collected from purchases. If so, that could eventually bring an end to Lambros' work. In one case that lasted 2 years, he recovered $15 million. $1 million of that going to his firm.
This is all a money game for these people, and that is what it's been.
A money game indeed. Randy Travis, Fox 5 News.